CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
O Menteri Ramba jong Jelau Conrad Sangma hakasingi palai jong hinyau tarik ubnai yayong arajar arpuar ula Plie paiba yaga solar power energy ha Umsawnongkharai Health and Wellness Center kenang bakani gejaka aijing sumar kanom syakta haga jing syakrisa jong ki paiba ki bawan syak sumar hakani gejaka aijing sumar Yagani ke solar power energy lane labu ha Umsawnongkharai Health and Wellness Center daga jingit reilang jong ke sorkar jela bad ke company balatip kum ke Selco Foundation naga jela Assam. Ke jingtmu hababu ia ke sustainable energy solution hagani ke jaka aijing sumar kalomban weng ke jing habaja ke jing lip boarding hakanu kanu ke por. Naba ka boarding ka day ban donbej baro arpu saw kanta haga vaccine storage naga benta ban pandai tha ya ki dawai dashin hagani ka sngi la sakhi lang daw MLA joko Umsning constituency uba Jason S Maulong u deputy commissioner joko Ribhoi district u Arpit Upadhyaya u mission director joko National Health Mission Meghalaya u Ram Kumar u CEO ka AIC Selco Foundation u D Ditismita Chaube ka District Medical and Health Officer jong Ribhoi District ka Dr. Ems Imle ki Asha bat kiwe
When the shipping strategy ban Plie kenika yang ukurit kenika solo panel hangliha Umsawnongkharai di kenika solo panel la dia ada kenika Selco Foundation kapal atai obat ke NHM di long hari boy ila le shuli haki sub centers di kenika sub centers Umsawnongkharai kenika way kapa ila ada dia mentang asisnem di lingba kani ke jing ai jong kani ke Selco foundation ye kani ke solar namar ba kreatif kum hari bhoi jani di ke jutut ha kani ka lai di menta bakat kani ke sub center kala kelas ke health wellness center I hap yang dia kini ki reporting ki ai kepada ki online di gidan ru sakani ka daily consultation di lada ngimdan ka light electricity di shim jek kini ki dong trai hang ni bakin le di kala arab subun namar ba kinong haru kilai khabe bun hi ke banwan khang ni di pata di hadu menta nadu pas dang ban pen khana du hijrik ograi ba September 2020 la don hadu nyu ko argo pila pen khapun hani tidak ka jingdon jong di ka solar hangi energy ko kala besuk iki kan ko aku buat beli light ru langsung pan pen kha ban ti di umdi tang kata ru kala don sakoi ka tempat kebebu vaksin kan kebaki ILR ni kebebu ki vaksin tadi ru pelaran dengan nika solar kini laptop kini ban charge ki mobile ki ban charge ki laptop ki ru la run be dengan nika solar kan dengan syukur pat ki nong bakin ya bakin kam ya one nang ya one shu syakmat ban ya ting Henry ai bagi dia wan deliver yiki kedua kha yi khulung hani nampak ki nurse ki doktor ini ki pala dep ki training ki la dep ki puli ki dep nang ta shu but kam petit shu ban perkha nang ba ka jingyap ki long ki ba armet ban ki khulung ki badang shuka kan pinduna.
Today happens to be the 7th of April, which is also the World Health Day. So on this day, I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you on this very, very important occasion. And it is also very appropriate that today we are here in the sub-center, and we have been able to provide solar panels and solar-powered energy-efficient equipments to run different services in this particular sub-center. And I must take this opportunity to congratulate the health department, the NHM, the local MLA, and also thank the Selco Foundation for having installed these kind of solar systems in more than 100 sub-centers throughout the state, and they intend to increase it and cover more than 350 sub-centers in a very, very short time. The most important aspect of these kind of solar powered system is that they help in providing the basic services at the grassroots level, and where most of the sub-centers face a large challenge in terms of stable infrastructure and also stable power supply. These kind of units and these kind of systems allow these services to be provided to the people at the grassroots level. We were just shown that there were solar powered energy efficient vaccine storage systems out here, which are highly efficient. We also saw different kind of other equipments that are run on solar, and therefore once again I would like to congratulate the NHM and also congratulate and thank the Selco Foundation, which has been instrumental in doing this. And I wish the sub-center the very best, and I urge the officials and all the staff that will be running this sub-center to please use the equipments and maintain them so that we're able to provide proper service to the people of the state. Apart from that, on this day, I'm also very happy to inform you that as a government, we are very, very focused on the health sector. And in the past 2 years, during the COVID situation, we faced a lot of challenges. But with those challenges, we also saw it as an opportunity to build up the health services and the health infrastructure, which is what we have done. And a large amount of money has been spent on improving the infrastructure in the rural areas. And I can assure the people of the state that in the coming years also, that we will be spending large amount of money, especially in the rural health sector, to more importantly increase the infrastructure, improve the infrastructure, and provide better health services at the grassroots level. I also would like to inform that our ASHA workers, who have been working very, very diligently in the past, a large number of incentives which were due for many, many years, 6 years, 7 years, had not been cleared for them. And I'm happy to announce, and all of you know, that most of those incentives have been cleared for the ASHAs, including the ones that have been pending for the past 7 years, 8 years also. And we want to assure our staffs and all our manpower in the health sector that we will do our best to ensure that your interests are also taken care of, even with all the challenges that we face.